Now, in order to use technology to solve this, we're going to have to rewrite the equations into y equals mx plus b form. So for the first equation, the first thing you're going to do to isolate y is subtract 2x from both sides. So when you do that, you end up with negative 3y is equal to negative 1 minus 2x. We've subtracted 2x from both sides. So now we're going to divide both sides by negative 3, and that simplifies then to be negative 2 divided by negative 3 is 2 over 3x plus 1, because negative 1 over negative 3 is positive, so it's positive 1 over 3. Now, it's going to be difficult to graph this by hand because it's going to be somewhat difficult to graph this accurately, although it is possible. But what we're going to do now is solve for y in the second equation. And we're going to first of all subtract 4x from both sides. And then we're going to divide both sides by 7. And so we end up with then negative 4 over 7x plus, and 37 over 7. Well, 37 goes into 7 goes into 37 5 times with 2 left over. So 37 over 7 is 5 and 2 sevenths. And again, it's going to be very difficult to accurately draw this without technology. So we're going to use technology here in order to plot these two functions. And so for the first one, it's 2 divided by 3 times x plus, and 1/3 is 1 divided by 3, and then click on OK. And so here the line crosses the y-axis at 1/3, 1 over 3, which is 0.3 repeating, and it's got a slope, so every time we go up 2 over 3. And you'll notice that the lines cross every now and then nicely in the square of a grid, but not at the intercept. So for the second equation, it's going to be negative 4 divided by 7 times x plus, and we can put in 5 and 2 sevenths, or we can do 37 divided by 7 and click OK. So in Geometry Sketchpad, here's our intersection point, and the solution, x is equal to approximately 4. It appears to be right at 4, and y is equal to 3. So the intersection point, or the solution to this linear system, is 4, 3. So now find the point of intersection for the linear system 3x minus 4y equals 12, and x minus 2y is equal to 4.